Ever dreamed of starting your own business but don't know where to begin? In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of launching a successful startup. Watch till the end to make sure you don't miss any crucial steps. First, every startup begins with an idea. But not just any idea, a profitable one. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Is there a demand for my solution? Second, research the market and validate your idea before diving in. Understand your audience and competitors. Next, a great idea needs a solid plan. Your business plan should cover your mission, target audience, competitors, pricing, and financial projections. Don't skip the financials. Startups need money to grow. You can use personal savings, approach investors, apply for business loans, or try crowdfunding. Once you're clear on your vision, build a minimum viable product. Get it out there, gather feedback, and work on that. Networking is crucial. Connect with mentors and potential investors. When you're ready, launch your startup and embrace the chaos. Remember, resilience is key. Setbacks are part of the game. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and celebrate every small win along the way.